This is a Hayward pool pump that was leaking, and leaking in two places, from the motor and from the fitting that you could see right here. I fixed the leak at the fitting, and now we're going to fix the leak at the pump.
Okay, in order to fix the leak on this pump, I'm going to replace a few O-rings, a few gaskets, and a couple of seals. I'm going to replace the O-ring up top. I'm going to replace this gasket that goes around the diffuser. And I'm also going to replace a couple of mechanical seals behind this impeller here. And I'll just go ahead and get to work, and you can go ahead and watch. I'm also going to clean this out because it's got a lot of debris, and that's not going to make the pump run very well. So we're going to take out all this stuff, all these leaves and twigs and sticks. Take all this stuff out. I gotta take off the impeller, so in order to take off the impeller, I need to stabilize the shaft so it doesn't spin. If I don't do that, it's just gonna keep spinning. I might try to turn it. The impeller. I'm going to replace all these seals right here. This pump's pretty worn out as far as seals and stuff is concerned, so this is a good thing we're doing this. No leaks, as you can see, and the pump is running good. Flow has been restored, and no leaks.